Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys what is engulfing fail and how it looks like. So we have two types of engulfing fail. The first one will be engulfing buy fail, and the second one will be engulfing sell fail. Okay, no matter this is perfect engulfing buy fail or blend engulfing buy fail, as long as price breakout, okay, it is considered as fail. Okay, like I said, engulfing buy is a zone for us to go for a buy, isn't it? When price goes up, when it comes back without confirmation, if it breaks, okay, we wait for the price to pull back and then we counter sell. This one is for engulfing buy fail. For engulfing sell fail is the same. Alright, when price pulls back, we're going to wait for sell, right? But then if price breakout, always there is a pullback and then we counter buy. Okay, so I'll go to chart and show you guys. Okay, so as you can see from daily, this one is engulfing buy. Supposedly we have to buy here, right? But then breaks out. Breakout, we wait for pullback and we entry. As you can see, price respect this zone and go down. Same goes to here as well. Here we have engulfing buy. Suppose we're going to buy here, but breaks out. So breakout, pull back, and we entry here. Okay. This one is for engulfing buy fail. Let me show you engulfing sell fail. Right. So from here, as you can see, this one is engulfing sell, blend bearish engulfing. Correct. So supposedly we have to sell here, right? But then breakout. You see, break with body. So price will pull back and counter buy. Okay. Let me show you more examples. See this one, engulfing sell. Suppose we're going to sell here, but breakout, pull back, boom, counter buy. Okay, engulfing sell, breakout, pull back, buy. Okay, this one as well. Yeah, this one. Sometimes price never pull back. Okay, so that's why you have to be more alert, because this is more to your risk and reward. Sometimes some traders, they are willing to take risk, so they can straight entry here and sell. But then for me, I always wait for pullback. When there's no pullback, I won't entry. Okay, unless the zone is low risk. Okay, I will explain more in confirmation. I will explain more in this confirmation video, but not in this video, because this video I'm going to explain to you how engulfing fail looks like. Okay, you see, breakout, you see, body closed below the zone, pull back, sell. Okay, see this one as well, engulfing sell zone, blend engulfing sell zone, breakout, pull back, buy. Okay, H1. See, this is also the same, engulfing sell zone, breakout, pull back, buy. Alright, so that's all. Thank you.